Alright, so here is a subscriber of mine that requested I make a review video to compare the pricing plans of Lead Sniper, Google Maps Scraper, and Scrap.io. So in this video, that is what I'm going to be doing, and more importantly, there is something I want you to know about Scrap.io that I think you should know, alright, before thinking of purchasing a plan, and this is what I'll be revealing into this video. Now, just to make things much more clearer, guys, Lead Sniper, Google Maps Scraper, and Scrap.io are both Google Maps scraping tools with quite a number of similarities and major differences. So their pricing plan is something I want to take note of into this video. One is more affordable than the other and yet still delivers satisfaction. And so to make sure that at the end of this video, you too will be able to choose between Lead Sniper, Google Maps Scraper, and Scrap.io, I will be reviewing the two Google Maps Scraper plans simultaneously. So for the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper plan, which you will find the link down below for your easy access, offers three pricing plans: the starter plan costing $149 one-time payment, the popular plan costing $267 a one-time payment, and the best value plan costing $389 a one-time payment. Now, I will share more details about this in a bit, but let's come over to Scrap.io pricing plans. Here for Scrap.io, we have four pricing plans. The basic plan costing 49 euros per month, the professional plan which is costing 99 euros per month, the HSM plan costing 199 euros per month, and 499 euros per month. Now, taking a look at the offers you get for 49 euros per month on Scrap.io, we have quite a number of limitations to the result you can be getting from this plan, such as a limited 10,000 export credit and other filters which you can't get access to because you are on the basic plan. Now, let's see what difference we have on Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper. On starter plan here, you can see we have $149, which is a one-time fee, and you would get access to using this tool for a lifetime without any recurring fee or monthly fees. You can use this tool from anywhere in the world and at any time. You have access to unlimited lead and export without any limitation or restriction. You also have access to a dedicated support team to satisfy you and assist you at any time. And most importantly, you don't have to pay for any lifetime updates. You know why? You've paid for all already. So now two major things I want to bring your attention to the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper 2 is that with the starter plan, there are no refunds and you can only use this particular plan on just one browser. So meaning with this plan, you can't run on multiple browser scraping. Now, this is what I mean. So no multiple browser scraping with this exact plan. If you would love to use multiple browser scraping, then the next two plans should be your target. With just $267, a one-time fee, granting you access to over 5 multiple browser scraping and also 10 multiple browser scraping for the best value plan. You have no limitations to how many leads and exports you will be getting. On Scrap.io, for the professional plan, you have a monthly export credit of 20,000 and other restrictions alongside. And the only plan that gives you full access to enjoying all of the features this tool has to offer is the company plan, costing you 350 euros every single month. Honestly, to me, that's just too much for me to afford. For me, speaking for me, I can afford this. Just like you'll be paying 420 euros every year on Scrap.io basic plan, you can afford the biggest plan on Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper for a lifetime. Imagine that. The slowest plan right here can purchase the biggest plan right here. I think you should already know what I'm saying. So what do you think about this, guys? The comment box is just to share your thoughts. All right, listen to this, guy. So I think this is something you should know about Scrap.io that I don't think you know of, okay? And now this is it. Scrap.io doesn't work for all countries. Now, what do I mean? Look at me. I'm right here on Scrap.io, and all thanks to my VPN, right? You can see I'm making use of a VPN to access Scrap.io because if I turn this off right now, guys, I realize that going over to Scrap.io, let me show you something. Scrap.io. All right, and I search for it on Google, it appears. But whenever I try to go over to that website, guys, you can see it keeps telling me, sorry, you have been blocked. So I think this is actually, a problem for Scrap.io because not everybody from anywhere in the world can access the tool. So you want to make sure that your country or wherever you are checking out this from, you must be able to access Scrap.io. If not, this might not be the perfect tool for you. Right now, if I go ahead and turn on my VPN back, now let me show you something. All right, I'm trying to turn this on. Okay, let's see what happens. Come on. Okay, good. You can see that this is turned on already. Now, if I reload the page, let's see what happens. All right, you can see we have scrap.io. So I think this is something scrap.io should put into consideration, because so many of us, we are from countries that they are not accepting. So I wish they can do justice to this and allow everyone access their platform easily. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash the like button in appreciation. Tell me what you think about those two tools. I would like to hear your own opinion concerning the tools, and I'll see you in my other videos. Take care of yourself and bye. And don't forget, you can actually watch out those playlists where I have every of my lead sniper tutorials all combined into this. So watch this out and see what those tools is capable of doing, and I'll see you there. Take care of yourself and bye.